Welcome to the SPKFeat trading channel. Study the past, know the future, each trade. Welcome to the new YouTube channel video. So today I'm going to explain you how you can use fixed time frame. In this case it's the M1, the 1 minute chart, and how you can use different so average for different time frames in the same chart. Okay, so what we have here is a representation of the 5-minute candles on the 1 minute chart. So I have an indicator that plots the candles. As you see, this is the 1 minute chart. Okay, and what I did here is that I am using an indicator that shows the 5-minute chart on a 1 minute chart. So this is interesting because it will allow to have a better perspective on how you can use different averages, and how I will use a 20 period moving average for the 5-minute chart, but how do I do that when using a 1 minute chart? Okay, so I'll explain how it works. So we'll start by having some writing here, which will explain better what is going to happen. Okay, so we are on the 1 minute chart and we want to convert a moving average to a 5-minute chart. Okay, so from 1 minute chart to 5-minute chart, it's 5 times. Okay, so let's do that. And this is the first idea. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we will be doing a 20 period moving average on the 1 minute chart, and I will do that right away. So this is how a simple close 20 period moving average looks like on the 1 minute chart. Okay, so this is the 1 minute chart, and this is how a moving average with 20 periods looks like. Okay, so we have a 20 period moving average. Let me write this down here too. 20 period moving average. Okay, so let's continue. So this is what we have right now, and now what I want to do, and this is where I'm dropping some new stuff, and I want you to think about it and work it out. I'm showing you the model how you can do it using these time frames. Okay, so now what I want to do is that I want to imagine how it would be a 20 period moving average on the 5-minute chart, but I am on the 1 minute chart. Okay, so how can we do this? So it's quite simple. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have the time frame that you want. In this case is the 5-minute chart. So we will have the 5-minute chart, and you will multiply by the desired moving average. So it's like that. Okay, it's the time frame we want, which is a 5-minute. Okay, multiplying by the desired moving average period. Okay, so like this. So we have this, and now let's do the account. Okay, it's quite simple. Let's do it. So we have the 5-minute chart. We multiply by the desired moving average, which is 20, and we have the 100 period. Okay, so let's do here the 100 period. We'll do 100 simple close. Let's do in white, and this is what you have. So this is the 20 period. This one is the 20 period moving average on the 1 minute chart, and this is the 20 period moving average on the 5-minute chart, but we are basically in the same chart. We are on the 1-minute chart. Okay, so as you can see, we have here a moment where the moving average crosses and we have a bearish move, and then this is a bit of a consolidation. It's already reversing. The moving average goes above, touches here, and then goes up. We are bullish now, and then it goes up, and then here it crosses. Okay, so we could catch something like around 30 pips on this move. Okay, so this is very interesting. If we do the same thing for, let's imagine, for 15-minute chart. Okay, so what we have to do is the same thing. We have the 15-minute chart and we multiply by the desired moving average. So it's the 20 period moving average will be the 300. And let's do the 300 here for you to see. Let's do it in 300 here. And now let's do like can be like this one here. Okay, so this is the 15-minute chart, 20 period moving average. Okay, so it's now you have the 5-minute crossing the 15, and you have the 20 period moving average on the 1-minute chart crossing also the 15-minute chart. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and this is one of the ideas. And I just want to give you one more thing. So this is a quick video for you. Let me just show you one more thing. So as you see, let's understand this movement here and some parts of this one here. Let's let this moving average be here, and what I want to show you is that on the 1-minute chart you can use this 15 period using the high. Let me show you like this color here. It's okay. This is the high and this is the same period but the low. And what we will have here is a very interesting way of understand that when some of these examples of retracements happen, okay, you can use the last movement and you can catch it here. Okay, so you use the range between the high and the low. Okay, and I'm going to show you this even closer. So like this. So you have the range between the high and the low. You have here the interval. We're gonna do a rectangle here. So this is like kind of the RMS you see, but using moving averages. And you have the price coming down here and continuing. Okay, same thing happens here. You'll have this range here. This is the lowest one, and we will use the same range, the high and the low, and you can use that to understand where is the level that is where you should start your trade. Okay, so if we go back here, let me just remove this it's not useful anymore, so let's take it out here. Okay, so another example that you can use is on this level here. Okay, so you have, this is the level we are working on. Okay, and as you see, it's important because price touches here, and then also you can make it with this level here. So this zone here is important. Right now what we're using is this one here. Okay, so using this one here, you see how price just responds there. Okay, another perspective is when you have a low like this, and once the level is crossed and touch confirming, okay, confirms that it goes down. Okay, so it crosses and then it goes. You can see this using the 5-minute chart. So we are on the 1-minute chart, but you're seeing the 5-minute candles. Okay, so you have here, it's more cleaner now. This is the level, the zone, and you have price coming down, touching and coming down. As you also can see here, it's the same thing, and here is the same thing. Okay, so this is the idea. This is the 15 period. Let me show you. This is the 15 period simple low and the 15 period simple high on the 1-minute chart. Okay, so that's it. I hope you have a great week ahead, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you just like, subscribe, and visit the SPKFeat website, spkfeat.com, and I hope you enjoy what you see there. Okay, have a good week. Cheers.